Namaste. I came to QASIM Khan's establishment because I was referred by two very good friends. First person, Tomas Eder, who is a master tabla player, and Miles Shrewsbury, who is currently my tabla teacher, who lives in San Diego, California. I came here on both their recommendations, and I've very much loved what I've seen and in their shop, the way they do business, the quality of their tablas, and also I got a very good price on the tabla set that I just bought. I'm very pleased with. Okay, I think I ended up getting that. I think I won. Oh, you know what happened? It was on the wrong setting. It was on the, you know what? Oh, can I? No, for some reason.
You can have.
Well, no, I want to. Let's see. Okay, can you do it again, real quick?
Yeah, I will.
Okay. So that's D?
Yeah,
It almost sounds a little short.
D scale.
I have perfect pitch.
Sorry?
I have perfect pitch. I know I hear D, I hear C.
You listen?
It almost sounds a little bit sharp.
Yeah, D.
Like D
It
sharp.
almost sounds a little like D sharp.
Yeah, D sharp. Nearby.
Okay. We can get it to D?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to take it. This is what I think it is. Yeah, right now. Yeah. Fantastic.
And here is now best quality Indian tea and best quality Indian
Maybe
tabla.
I should talk. You can put that on YouTube also. That's quality chai.
कितनी करूँ?
दाल को सब किया.
Yeah, actually what happens is if it goes above D to E sharp,
D sharp.
no, E sharp, because right now it's in D sharp.
Yeah, D sharp. D
So,
scale.
but D is very important because I have, maybe you've not heard of this, called synesthesia. Have you heard synesthesia?
Like
No, I tell you, मैं आपको बताऊंगा. जो भी निकल आता है, मैं ये D हमेशा रंग हरा रंग है.
हरा रंग.
C हमेशा नीला है.
नीला है.
G हमेशा, yeah, turn it down a little. Can you? G हमेशा brown. Every tone has color.
Color.
I see colors with music.
Yes.
हमेशा.
Very good knowledge.
Since I was a child. So that's why I can, when I have perfect pitch, when I hear, then I think, well, E is orange, but I want D to be in green. That's why I have to have it in D.
Yeah, green.
समझ रहे हैं?
Yeah, समझ रहे हैं.
Okay.
बिल्कुल.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, you compare sounds with the colors like a D is a green and a C sharp is a.
Yes, but it comes here. Starts here, goes up here.
Yeah,
I
you
can-
feel it like when you close your eyes, you can feel it easily.
No, but I can feel it, but I see it. I taste it.
Yo,
I taste it.
that's your taste.
So I'm strange. मैं अनोखी हूँ. मैं अजीब आदमी हूँ.
No.
मैं बुरी आदमी, अजीब आदमी हूँ.
आ गया है टी पे? एक बार check कर.
That's better.
Yeah.
That's getting down.
अबे scale को चला ले एक बार. Yeah. Now this time is nearby D scale.
Yeah, it's very close to a D.
Now you listen, tone is very superior.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is a very superior quality. Ustad Zakir Hussain Saab also used at like this quality.
This one?
Yeah, this quality.
This
Yeah.
Zakir
That's his
Zakir
scale.
ji.
You see,
Exactly.
exact D scale.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I can tell. I can tell. Very good. So I can go down a little bit or up if I have to, but it's
Yeah,
because
you can download
I have
it
that.
easily.
I got that. Well, I don't have it on this one. I got that leg on that software.
Yeah.
It plays on the background. It plays.
This tabla you can play C, C sharp, E, and D sharp. 4 scales play easily because this is a properly custom made professional tabla. So no problem. It's not easy untune. This when you
stays
play,
in tune.
yeah.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah. Now you check it.